What's up guys, Rachel here, bringing you part 2 of the LS Mustang swap video. Before we get into the video, I wanted to give you guys a short little intro. This video is going to be pretty much us starting to button things up, but the motor is right in front of me right now because it's in my room. Cover off, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it with my JP Performance billet gear set, and we are gonna replace the oil pump as well over there, the milling oil pump. So we'll get right to that.
All right, so you got money. Yep.
No, I really don't think I have anything straight.
We got it with a pencil.
Oh, okay.
Actually, you know what?
Rob ripped it out and took care of it.
Oh, okay.
A little more?
A smidge.
1/8 inch.
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
Perfect.
Can you explain it?
You see this little dimple?
Yeah.
Once these two dimples match up,
That's top dead.
you're top dead. Now you can pull this out, and then you're gonna see on the cam, you see this little. Yeah. If this was on this side, and these were matching up, or I'm sorry. Yes, if this was on this side and you had to measure it from here to here, you wouldn't be at top dead. This little dimple on the cam needs to be at the 3 o'clock position.
Okay.
So that's how you know once you've taken this off, you need to make sure that the cam is at 3 o'clock.
And number 1 is all the way at top.
Yeah. Because I knew number 1 would always have to be at the top, but I never really did anything with timing before, so.
Alright. Yeah. They're just coming off?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Give it those impacts, and then before you take it all the way off, we got to double check to make sure you didn't accidentally spin it a little bit.
These are all loose, so.
Looks good.
Talk to me, Goose. Good?
Yep.
This is fun.
Yeah, it is. It's fun breaking things.
Should have gotten yourself an egg tray.
Actually, I have one.
is.
Bingo.
Right there.
Perfect. Okay. So now do not move the camera.
So we're just gonna slide the chain on?
Yep.
Slide the chain off.
On and off. Do you assembly lube this?
Ever so carefully, you're gonna pull it off. And you're gonna go bottom first. So pull it
Do you want me
straight
to
back.
pull it while you...
Straight back.
Money? Check it again.
Dead on.
Dead on.
Perfect.
So we just got the whole timing set on with the new gear, the new sprockets and chain. We got it all lined up. I mean, we just spun it around now, but we got it lined up because if you can see on here, it has numbers on it depending on where you want to start it off at. Obviously, top dead center. So I learned a new thing, and she's on. So we're going to work on the oil pump now and go from there. Anyway, so I got the motor here right now with me. This is what it's looking like right now. We literally just put the heads on tonight. I just have the ARP studs on now, just the little ones for now, and I put the oil pan on without the timing cover because I didn't want it pissing on my floor anymore. I did put my JP Performance billet timing set gear, whatever you want to call it, on. Did come with the new sprockets, my milling oil pump. So these are stock heads. I didn't get them ported or anything, so there's nothing really aftermarket about them besides obviously my dual titanium springs. I did put the little rocker trays on for now because I'm just trying to clear up some space everywhere. Makes me feel better, like I got progress done. The only thing that I ran into was that I had ordered ARP head studs, and on my bad I ordered Gen 4 ones, so when I go and put the longer ones in, they just fall straight through and don't catch the thread till they're like way down here. So I really don't need ARP for this block because this is pretty much going to be an NA build. And when I decide to go boost, I'm just going to go full send it and probably lift a head or something like that. Worst case scenario, blow it up. So what I have left is a bunch of stuff, but just to be brief, I gotta order the new head bolts, probably stock. I don't need anything special. I'm just gonna get all new bolts for the timing cover, the oil pan as well, and then I do have the old valve train bolts and all this and that, so I may just reuse that. I have all new gaskets for this motor, so I just really need to clean some surfaces, start assembling things, but anyway. That's what she's looking like now. Ignore the mess. You don't see that. But yeah.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Bye.